Now our next topic is functions of roots. Okay, what are the functions of the roots? What do they help? How do they help plants? Okay, what is their role in the plants? क्या role है उनका plants में? That is functions of roots. Sorry, it's not working. The first function of the root is it helps the plant stay fixed to the soil. Plants, they are standing erect, straight खड़े हैं वो on the your earth. How? With the help of the roots. It takes in water and minerals from the soil, which are used by the plant for making food. The roots, they absorb water and minerals from the soil. जो भी water या minerals present हैं, nutrients present हैं soil में, they are absorbed by the roots, and who will take them? Plants will take them and they will use them for making food. Next, some plants store extra food in their roots. Some of these roots, such as radish, turnip, beetroot, and carrot, can be eaten by human beings. Some plants, they store food in the roots. Like carrots. Carrot we eat, that is the root of the, वो root है plant की जो हम खाते हैं. Radish, turnip, so that is the food. जो भी food है उसमें store है, that is why we eat them. So some roots of the plants, they store food and then they are eaten by the human beings. Next topic is a stem. We have read about roots that are underground. Next topic is a stem on page number 71. The stem is the main part of the shoot. Shoot है जो above the ground है, उसके ऊपर जो main part है, that is the stem. The stem can be strong or weak. Trees such as the banyan tree and the peepal tree have a thick and strong stem called the trunk. Stem, they can be strong also, they can be weak also. कुछ पतली होती है stem, कुछ मोटी होती है. Trees such as banyan tree, the picture is given in your book. Banyan tree, it has very strong stem, that is called the trunk. उसकी जो stem होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong होती है और उसे हम बोलते हैं trunk. The same way is in the case of peepal tree. Peepal tree, it also has a strong stem and it is also called as trunk. It holds the tree straight and upright. What is the function of that trunk? It holds the tree straight and upright, means tree जो है वो straight and upright खड़ा होता है इसकी वजह से. Plants such as grapevine, money plant and bean have weak stems. Such plants either grow along the ground or need support to other plants, walls or sticks. कुछ ऐसे plants होते हैं बेटे जिनकी stem बहुत ज़्यादा weak होती है, so they need a support to stand straight. उनको किसी support चाहिए खड़े होने के लिए. Like grapevine, जो अंगूर की वेल होती है, it cannot stand upright, so it needs a support. Money plant, bean, they have weak stems. Such plants either grow along the ground, जहाँ तो वो ground के ऊपर grow करते हैं, or need support of other plants, walls or sticks, जहाँ हम उनको wall की support देते हैं, जहाँ किसी sticks की support देते हैं, that then they grow. Next comes the functions of the stem. Some of the main functions of the stem are given below. First function is it keeps the plant upright and straight. If stem is not there, can a plant stand upright or straight? No, it cannot stand. So what is the function of the stem? It helps the plant to stand upright and straight. Leaves, buds, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. So these are the parts of the plant that grow on the stem. The stem carries water, nutrients and food to different parts of the plant. Water, nutrients, they are absorbed by the roots and then from the roots they go above the ground, ऊपर जाते हैं ground के, and then they go in the stem. From the stem it spreads to other parts of the plant, that is branches, leaves, flowers and buds. That is the stem carries water, nutrients and food to different parts of the plant. Stems of some plants are thick because they store extra food prepared by the plant. Some of these stems, such as sugarcane, potato, ginger, can be eaten by human beings. Some plants, they store food in the stem. As some plants, they store food in the roots, there are some plants that store food in the stems. Like stems of some plants, they are very thick because food is stored in them. They store extra food prepared by the plant. Some of these stems, such as sugarcane हम खाते हैं, means its food is stored in the stem, और उसकी stem भी तो खाते हैं हम. Potato, it is also the stem of the plant that we eat. Ginger, they are eaten by the human beings. Now next is leaf. This topic will start in the next period. So let's recall what we have done today. पहले पढ़ें जो पढ़ा है हमने आज. First we read about the parts of the plant and their uses. Parts of the plant. There are mainly two parts of the plant, root and the shoot. First comes your root. Root is the part of the plant that is below the ground. Root, they are mainly of two types, fibrous roots and tap roots. Tap root are the roots in which there is one main root, and from the main root other roots they originate. Next comes your fibrous roots. In fibrous roots there isn't any main root, and the other all the roots, they appear from their own origins and they look bushy. ऐसे लगती हैं जैसे झाड़ियां होती हैं. That are the fibrous roots. Next we read about the functions of the root. Functions of the root is, root, they help the plant to stay fixed to the soil. Roots, they take water and minerals from the soil and give to plants for preparing food. Some plants, they store food in the roots. So the roots, they are eaten as a food. Example, radish, carrot, turnip, they all are the roots that we eat. Next topic was a stem. Stem, they can be, it is the main part of the shoot. जो shoot है, जो ऊपर वाला part है ground से, उसके ऊपर जो main part है, that is the stem. Stem, they can be strong also, they can be weak also. There are some trees such as banyan tree, people tree, they have very strong stems and they are called as trunk. उनकी stem है जो बहुत strong होती है और उन्हें हम बोलते हैं trunk, and they help the plant to stand straight and upright. Plants such as grapevine, money plant and bean have weak stems. Such plants either grow along the ground or need some support. जिनकी स्टेम जो बहुत ज्यादा वीक होती है, उन्हें कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए ग्रो होने के लिए. So they need some support like walls, any sticks, or they grow on the ground. Next is functions of this stem. First function is it keeps the plant upright and straight. Next is all the parts of the plant like leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, they grow on the stem. Stem carries water and minerals and food to different parts of the plant. Stems of some plants, they store food as the roots of some plants store food. So we eat the stems of some plant as the food, like sugarcane. We eat stem of the sugarcane. Potato, ginger, they are also eaten as a food. So this is all about that we have read today. Next, we will start in the next lecture. Go through it that we have covered, the topics that we have covered, the roots and the shoots, the stem, the functions of the roots and shoots. So then we will continue in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.